This is from Survivor on Death Row again. This is about Romell's innocence claim. After my execution in September 2009, I asked to see all the files of my legal case. Now my cell is full of boxes and boxes of documents, and I'm thinking, Lord, I'm not a lawyer and I don't understand all this stuff. But somehow, as I'm going through these boxes, just the right things are coming up at me. I look at a page and I don't know why I'm looking at it, but something comes right out to my attention suddenly, and it's just the very thing I need to know. One thing that has come to light is that there are 2 DNA test results in my name. I've seen one of them before. I was arrested trying to buy weed while I was out on probation, but then the police started questioning me about this other crime. Someone was going around murdering young girls. I was 28 then, and just out of 9 years in prison. I had robbed people and I was violent, but I would never do that kind of thing, hurt somebody like that, a girl. As soon as I was arrested for this crime, I told the police I didn't do it, and I asked for a DNA test to prove it. My only alibi was that I was with members of my family, so they didn't count that, and my only defense was, I didn't do it. Who's going to listen to that? By the nature of the crime, there would have been the killer's DNA all over the body, so I knew if they tested me, they would know it hadn't been me. But when they got the test done, they said it was mine, that not all the figures matched, but enough of them did, that they couldn't eliminate me. And I said, how can that be? But no one was listening to me. But now, here in this box of legal files is another DNA report, supposed to be me, and this one is completely different. The numbers don't match my first test at all. So I asked my lawyers, where did this other test come from? I've never seen it before. And they said, oh, somebody must have ordered it from the lab. But you have to make an application to the court to get somebody's DNA report, and there wasn't one. I would have had to sign something. Nobody ever told me another DNA application was made, and there was no court order in the boxes. So how come these tests that both have my name on are not the same? And the one I had never seen before appears to match the crime. It looks to me as if the DNA test has been tampered with. I told the lawyers this, but they refused to file any paperwork to the judge. I asked them to find the original document, but every document that was being passed out at the time that I got my copy has disappeared. I have the only original copy from the first time that these results were given out. I have 2 clear copies of the test with different numbers on, but I can't get anything done with this stuff. I need some lawyers. Only lawyers can do these things.